If your fireplace blower is acting up and turning on and off randomly, it might be a wiring problem messing with your cozy vibes. So, first off, you want to unplug the blower or shut off power to it. Safety first, right? Next, check the wiring connections at the blower motor and the switch. Sometimes wires get loose or corroded, which totally kills the flow. If you spot any frayed or burnt wires, that's a red flag. Replace them with the same gauge wire to keep things safe. Use a voltage tester to make sure power is reaching the motor consistently. If not, the issue could be farther up the line. Tighten any loose wire nuts or screws because even a tiny wiggle can cause intermittent power. Also, inspect the blower motor's capacitor if it has one. Sometimes those go bad and cause weird on-off behavior. Don't forget to clean dust and debris around wiring and contacts since grime can mess with connections. If you're not comfortable poking around electrical stuff, it's cool to call a pro before things get messy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with fireplace blower wiring problems is ignoring loose connections. That just makes the intermittent operation worse and could burn out your motor. Fix by tightening everything securely. Another common issue is using the wrong type of replacement wire, which can cause shorts or even fires. Always match the original wire specs exactly. Finally, skipping the voltage test leads to guessing and replacing parts unnecessarily. Instead, use a tester to pinpoint where power drops off and fix that spot for good. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners trying to find reliable, local contractors for fireplace repairs or other big jobs without the headache. It also helps contractors connect with folks looking for their skills, so everyone wins when it comes to home projects.